Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super easy way to add Reddit content to your WordPress website. Whether you want to showcase popular posts, discussions, or community updates, this guide will have your site looking interactive and engaging in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. Access WordPress. First, log into your WordPress account. You can do this either through WordPress.com using your email and password or quickly log in with your linked Google account. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard, which is where all the magic begins. Enter the editing interface. Next, locate the Edit Site button, usually on the right-hand panel. Clicking this takes you into the editing interface, where you can customize pages, posts, and other site elements. This is the area where you'll actually add your Reddit embed. Add the Reddit embed block. Now, find the Add button, typically at the top left of your screen. Click it to open the block menu. In the search bar, type Reddit. You'll see a Reddit embed option appear. Select it, and this will add a new block to your page specifically for Reddit content. Embed your Reddit content. Once the block is in place, you just need the link to the Reddit post or thread you want to display. Paste it into the block, and WordPress automatically pulls in the post with the correct formatting. You can resize or move the block just like any other content block to make it fit perfectly with your page design. Save and preview. Finally, make sure to save your changes. Click Publish or Update depending on whether you're editing an existing page or creating a new one. Preview your page to see the Reddit post live and ensure it looks exactly how you want it. Your visitors can now interact with Reddit content directly from your website. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully added Reddit to your WordPress site. This is a fantastic way to keep your content fresh and engage your audience with real-time discussions. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.